Hello everybody, how are you? Today we are going to talk about algebra lesson 1, solving quadratic equations in one variable. What if your teacher gave you this example? Number 1, x power 2 minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Find the solution set of each of the following equations. Number 1, x power 2 subtract 5x plus 6 equal 0. We can using factorizer it. X power 2 equal x times x. Two digits, the times of them equal 6, and summation will be 5. It will be 2 times 3 because 2 times 3 equals 6, and we add 2 plus 3 equal 5. Sign negative and negative, and then we write 0 here, so x will be 2 and x equal be 3. It's okay. So the solution set equal 2 and 3. It's okay. Solve the solution set equal 2 and 3 by using factorization. Question 2, 5x power 2 plus 2x equal 4. First, we must join 4. We can find the result by factorization or general formula. How we can solve it? First, write 0 here, 5x and x. 1 times 4 equal 4, or 2 times 2 equal 4. But if you do that, you will have the wrong number. So what we want to do, we can using general formula. Okay, write x equal negative b. So we can solve it by factorization. So we can write x equal negative b, positive or negative, square root of b power 2 for ac divided 2a. It's okay, because we have in 2 digits, the times of them equal 4, and adding between extremes and means equal 2. So we will use another method. X equal negative b, positive or negative, square root of b power 2 subtract 4ac divided 2a. So we will write x here equal negative b. Look at this a, it's a coefficient of x power 2, and b equal p 2, and c equal negative 4. It's okay. It's a, b, and c. Negative b, write negative 2 here, positive or negative, square root of b power 2 equal 4, subtract a, 4 times a, it's 5, times c equal negative 4, divided to a, 2 times 5. Write with me, x equal negative 2, positive or negative, square root of 4, negative times negative equal positive, 4 times 5 20, 20 times 4 equal 80, divided by 10. So x will be negative 2, positive or negative, square root of 84 over 10. It's okay. We can find the real result by simplify it. 48, we can write 4 times 21. It's okay, over 10, because 4 times 21 equal 84, and then we can find the result x equal negative 2, positive or negative 2 square root of 21 over 10, and simplest divided by 2 numerator and denominator. The result will be negative 1 plus or negative square root of 21 over 5, because we divided by 2 numerator and denominator. So the solution set, you want the result in R. The result in R is negative 1 over 5, and here plus square root of 21, negative 1 negative square root of 21 over 5, and then we will close it. It's okay. Look at question 3. Three x bar 2 equal 27. We can find the result by dividing by 3 by left hand side and right hand side. X bar 2 equal 9, so x equal be positive or negative square root of 9 equal positive or negative 3. So the solution set equal positive or negative 3. Question 4. X times x minus 4 in brackets or parentheses equal 3. We must solve it by distribute x times x bar 2, subtract 4x, negative 3 equal 0. We can't find the result between x power 2 subtract 4x minus 3 because we haven't two digits, multiplication of them 3 and the subtract between them equal 4, but it will be, if it will be positive we can find 1 and 3. Okay, it will be positive, and it's positive we will write 3 and 1, but it is negative, so we must draw using the second method by general formula. Negative b, positive or negative square root of b power 2 subtract 4ac divided to a. X equal negative b. Look at this p, where a equal 1, b equal negative 4, and c equal negative 3. Negative b equal 4, positive or negative square root of p power 2 equals 16. It's okay. Subtract 4 times a times c, and write over 2 times 1. So x will be 4 positive or negative 16 plus 3 times 4 equal 12, because negative times negative equal positive, over 2. X equal to 4 positive or negative square root of 28 over 2. We can simplify it because 28 equal 4 times 7, 4 times 7 divided by 2. X will be 4 positive or negative 2 square root of 7 divided by 2 is equal to 2 plus or subtract square root of 7. So the solution set will be 4 positive square root of 7 and 4 subtract square root of 7 over 2. It's okay. Look at this question. Each of the following graphics illustrates quadratic function. Find the solution set in R of the equation of f of x equal 0 in each figure. Look at this curve. intersection at one point, -2. So the solution set equal -2. Number 1, solution set equal -2. Number 2, the curve no intersection x dash. So solution set in R equal phi. And then question 3, we have -3 and 1. They are the root of the curve. Okay, solution set equal -3 and 1. It's easy. So if you want to solve the equation, we must look at the intersection by x dash and the curve intersection at 2.3, -3 and 0, and 1 and 0, and this will be the solution set of the equation -3 and 1. And question 2, look at question 2. Not intersection with x dash. Question 1, intersection at 1 point, -2 and 0. So the solution set will be -2. Question 2, choose the correct answer from this given. Number 1, in the curve of quadratic function, f cuts the x-axis at 2 points 2 and 0 and -3 and 0, then solution set of f of x equals 0 in R equal 2 and -3. Again, if the curve of the quadratic function f cuts the x-axis at the 2 points 2 and 0 and -3 and 0, then the solution set of f of x equals 0 in R is 2 and -3, such that, look at with me here, the quadrant, such that this curve cuts x-axis at 2 and 0 and -3 and 0. So the solution set will be -3 and 2. It's okay. It's number 1. Number 2, the solution set of the equation x power 2 subtract x equals 0 in R equal. We can use a factorization. X power 2 subtracts x equals 0 by get this equation. Highest common factor between x power 2 subtract x equal x subtract 1 equals 0. So x will be 0 or x equal 1. So the solution set equal 0 and 1. It's the solution set of the equation x power 2 subtract x equals 0. Question 3. So we will choose letter C. Okay. And question number 1, we will choose -3 and 2, letter C. C and x equal 2 is the root of the equation such that f of x equals 0, then f of 2 equal 0. Okay, because x equal 2 is the root of the equation, you must put here 2. We cancel x and write 2. So f of 2 equals 0. So we will choose D, letter D. Okay. Question 4. If x equal 3 is the root of the equation x power 2 plus mx equal 3, then m equal. Look at this. X equal 3 is the root of the equation. So we can write 3 power 2 plus 3x equal 0. Why? Because x equal 3 is the root of the equation x power 2 plus mx equal 3. It's okay. This equation we will rise or cancel 3 and write x right 3 power 2 plus 3 times x equal 3. Question 4. If x equal 3 is the root of the equation x power 2 plus mx equal 3, then m equal. Look at this. X equal 3 is the root of the equation x power 2 plus mx equal 3. Let x equal 3 because x equal 3 is the root of the equation. So x, we will cancel x here, right? 3 power 2 plus 3 m equal 3. 3 power 2 equal 9 plus 3m equal 3. We will moving 9 by right hand side. 3m equal negative 6. We can divide it by 3, so m equal negative 2 because we divide by 3. Negative 6 divided by 3 equal negative 2, so you must choose letter B. It's okay. Another question. Look at this question number 5. If one of the roots of the equation x to the power 2 subtract 16 equals 0 is 4, then the other root is. Who can solve it? Look at this equation number 5. Question 5. X power 2 subtract 16 equals 0. So we can move against negative 16 by right hand side. X power 2 equals 16. So x equal positive or negative. Square root of 16 equal positive or negative 4. So the other root will be negative 4 because we have two root. Okay, so we will choose the result will be negative 4 because he tell us the first root is 4. Okay, we have two roots because it's x power 2, so we have two solutions about this equation. Question 3. Find algebraically the solution set of each of the following quadrant in R. Number 1, x power 2 subtract 1 equals 0, so x equal b positive or negative. Square root of 1 equal positive or negative 1. According to R. R refers to real numbers, so the solution set equal positive or negative 1. Question number 2. X power 2 plus 9 equals 0. Look at this. X power 2 equal negative 9. We can find the square root of negative 5 or negative 9 because negative 9 we have in two digits can times itself give us negative 9. So the solution set will be 5. The null set, okay? The null set 5. Question 3. X power 2 plus 3x equal 0. We can write x by get high common factor between x power 2 and 3x equal x. The highest common factor between them x. We can divide x power 2 divided by x equal x, and 3 times x divided by x equal 3. So we have x equal 0 or x plus 3 equal 0. So x will be negative 3 and x equals 0. So the solution set equal 0 and negative 3. It's okay. Question number 4. X power 2 subtract 6 x. X power 2 minus 6x plus 9 equals 0. We can factorize on it or not. Look at this. we have 3 times 3 equal 9, and we will eat 3 times 3 or 3 plus 3 equal 6. Okay, so we have two digits, the multiply of them equal 9. It will be 3 and 3, and if we will eat 3 plus 3 equals 6, so we can write negative here and negative, because negative times negative equal positive. So the solution set equal 3. Look at this. This is the perfect. We can write it. It's a negative 3 or power 2 because it's a perfect quadrant. So the solution set will be 3. It's okay. Another question. Question 4. Find in R the solution set of the following equations by using the general formula approximating the result to the nearest tenth. All this question revision. Okay, it's very easy for you. You can using calculator to approximating the result by tenth. Okay. Look at with me, you can solve it by calculator. X power 2 subtract 6x plus 1 equal 0. X power 2 negative 6x plus 1 equal 0. We have another method, general formula, because factorization we can't find two digits multiply of them equal 1, and the adding or the addition between them equal negative 6. It's impossible. Okay, we can factorize. No, we can't find by factorize, so we will do the second method by general formula. General formula tell us write x equal negative b, positive or negative, square root of b power 2 subtract 4ac divided 2a. It's okay, and then we must know a equal 1, b equal negative 6, and c equal 1. So x equal negative b by 6, positive or negative, b power 2 equals 36, subtract 4 times a times c, 4 times a times c, and over 2 times a will 2. So x equal 6, positive or negative, square root of 36 subtract 4 divided by 2, x equals 6, positive or negative, 36 divided by 4 equals 32 divided by 2. We can complete it because 32 equals 16 times 2. We can under square root 16 times 2, and we can find square root of 16 equal 4. We can moving it out. 4 square root of 2 divided by 2, we can write x equal 6 divided by 2, positive or negative, 4 square root of 2 divided by 2. It's okay. Or we can find the result directly by 6 divided by 2 equal 3. Especially we can have the even numbers, we can simplify it quickly. 4 divided by 2 equal 2 and square root of 2. Symboling to R, so the solution set 3 positive 2 square root of 2 and 3 negative 2 square root of 2. But he wants the result by 10th. You can using calculator to find the result. Look at with me. We can write in calculator 2 or 3 plus 2 root of 2 equal, the result will be this number. You can by this point to can't give 8 numbers, so the result will be 5.8 because he wanted to approximating the number to the nearest tenth, so the result will be 5.8, and we can write here negative, we'll cancel it and write negative equal, and we will approximate with the nearest tenth, the result will be 0.2. It's finished. Okay, it's easy for you.